Hey guys, it's Nixon Place here back for another Minecraft video today. Where am I? Why am I going on a chest? Why, why, where am I? So guys, I'm here in Clan Wars. If you don't know that, I'm on a app called Blockman for multiplayer. So I'm here on a game. Oh, it's starting. So I'm on a game. This is my 20 sub special. If you guys don't know, so can we hit 20 subs by the end of the year? Oh wait, why did I say the end of the year? The end of the month? Can we do that? I don't know. Let's hit. Yay, great. Teamwork is the key. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Damn. Bam. Let's hit them. Come on. Oh no. So guys, I'm here on a game called Clan Wars. I'm on a clan, guys. I'm on a clan. Wait. So guys, oh wait, my teammate. Oh no, my teammate. Oh, I'm on fourth. So close. So guys, I'm here on Clan Wars on the Blockman multiplayer game because literally Mineplex has some issues with mixed arcade, so I can't do that. But for today, we're gonna be playing some Clan Wars. I'm level 10, I think. So guys, if you want me to I'm stuck. Okay, we're not stuck. Okay. Let's go. Round one, like never before. Come on, let's go. Spread out. Okay, our main man here, Killer Goal is building a bridge for us. Thanks. Come on, break it. Dead. So guys, no, I only leveled up my attack power because health is not that much. I just did attack and mostly attack and defense. So guys, hashtag road to 40 subs. Hashtag road to 40 subs. We can do it by the end of the month. Bam. Dead. Chill. Curse lag. So guys, hashtag road to 40 subs. Guys, hashtag road to 40. We can do that. I just love it how we only okay, let's go here, let's go here. Come on. Alright, we won. Oh man, we didn't gain any gold from that. So guys, I'm on a clan now. It's called Maximum Fighter. I'm on a clan called Maximum Fighter. And guys, sorry about the collab with gaming with Trehas. I don't even know what happened to him. So guys, and thanks to the what was it? Noble. Oh yeah, Noble Dragon. So guys, shout out to Noble Gaming for making me a intro. Thanks man. If you're watching this vid, I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. Oh, that guy has a lot of stuff there. Let's get that. Come on, let's hit him. Come on. Think you're going. Oh man, we didn't hit him in time. So guys, hashtag road to 40 subs. Can we hit that by the end of the month? Can we actually hit that by the end of the month? That guy's running. Wait. Ah man, only got 1 kill. At least they lost. So guys, this is my of special clan wars. If you guys, if we can hit 40 subs by the end of the month, I'm just going to cry with happiness. I'm going to cry with happiness. So can we hit that by the end of the month? Can we actually hit that? Oh wait, oh, he was building. Okay. Come on. Did. Yeah. Let's get his armor. Yeah, teamwork is the key. Here. Come on, let's do. Bam, did. Just did. We're killing it in this game. If we can only. Come on, we can. Come on. Oh man. Guys, we're killing it at this Clan Wars game. The first time I played this, I got crushed. I literally got crushed. Because if you guys don't know, well, you do know this, some of you know this. In Blockman, you get points. You get gold from gaining. From winning a game. So I upper my points on attacks only because I'm good at them. If only I had a oh wait, I have a bow. The oh hey, we won. Wait, we lost. Oh man. So shout out to the noble dragon YT. Thanks for the intro, man. Appreciate it. So shout out to him. I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel in the description below. So when we hit that by the end of the month, we can hit that count on it. Literally count on it. Oh wait, you can go now. Oh man. So let's get some armor on and helmet and this iron boots. That we need that. I know it's like I'm wasting items, but guys, literally this game has no limit to its chest. So I can do this without any worries about items. But the other team is still same to them. Team. Oh my god, dead. Yay, we won. Hey, we come on third place. Aye. Aye. Told you guys we're going to win. I came on third place. Yay. And guys, who do you want me to do a collab? Well, I already did a collab video with Third Pizza slash Juan slash. Oh wait, I already did a collab video with the 3 person. So who do you want me to do a collab video with again? Oh wait, who? Okay, who? Because I'm gonna do a lot of survival games and in school. And guys, at my place, school starts at like, I don't know. Oh, wait, at June 12, I think. Hey, that's not fair. Get him. Hey, we won. All of our team won. Well, we tied for third place, I guess. I told you guys this. I'm a PvP god. Lol, because you guys don't know, the last time I was here I got crushed because I didn't know how to raise my stats, so I did, and then boom. Fair, guys, fair. Oh guys, and I heard there's, what was it called? There's a server called Hypixel. There was a new server on Hypixel. I'll do a video on that, I think, when come on, let's him. I love pressing quit menu when I play games. Let's see if it can get back on. Please let me be back on. No. Dang it. So guys, I raised my stats. It is to 20 plus, 13 plus. Heart, I don't know. Connect server failed. Dang it. So guys, I have nothing my attributes this, so we'll advent him because we're going to need a lot of friends to make a good clan, because I might stay on maximum fighters, but making my own clan should be great, so I need a lot of friends. Guys, a lot of friends. So guys, subscribe to my, so guys, it's gonna be the end of my video. I just lied that I heard someone. So guys, that's gonna be the end of my video. Leave a like, subscribe to my channel, because we're going to hit that 40 sub mark. We're going to hit that by the end of the month. Count on it. So guys, that's going to end of it. Bye.